So, have you ever heard about all-on-4 dental implants? They're really changing how people think about dental restoration.
I've heard the term but don't know much. How do they work exactly?
Well, it's
Yeah,
fascinating. Instead of replacing each missing tooth with an individual implant, all-on-4 uses just 4 implants to support an entire arch of teeth. It's like, instead of multiple pillars, you have 4 strong supports holding everything up.
that sounds efficient, but I bet it's still expensive, right?
Actually, here's the exciting part. In the
Mm-hmm.
US, you might pay between $20,000 to $30,000 per arch. But if you go to Tijuana, you can get the same procedure for anywhere from $8,000 to $15,000 per arch.
Seriously? That's a huge
Yeah,
difference. Is the quality the same, though?
absolutely. Clinics like Trust Dental Care in Tijuana use advanced technology and top tier materials. You're getting premium care without the premium price tag.
But isn't it risky to get dental work done abroad?
I get why you'd think that, but these clinics are highly reputable.
Right.
They're just minutes from the border, and they cater to international patients all the time. Safety and trustworthiness are their top priorities.
That's reassuring, but why is it so much cheaper there?
It's mainly due to the lower overhead costs in Mexico. Dentists can
Mm-hmm.
offer the same high quality treatments at a fraction of the price because their operating costs are lower. It's like finding a hidden gem for dental care.
I see. But how long do these implants last? I wouldn't want to replace them in a few years.
Great question. With proper maintenance, all-on-4 implants can last over 20 years. So you're investing in a long-term solution.
That's impressive. What does the procedure involve? Is it a lengthy process?
Not at all. It
Yeah.
starts with an initial consultation to evaluate your dental health and discuss your goals. Then they place the implants and fit a temporary prosthesis, so you have immediate functionality. After healing, you'll get your final custom-made restoration.
So you don't have to wait months without teeth?
Exactly. You walk out with a new smile the same day. The process is designed for comfort with effective pain management.
That sounds almost too good to be true. Are there financing options available?
Yes, clinics like Trust Dental Care offer flexible financing.
Mm-hmm.
They also help maximize any insurance coverage you might have and provide payment plans to make it more affordable.
Well, that definitely makes it more accessible. But is there any compromise on the materials used?
Not at all. They use top tier materials comparable to those used in the US. You're getting quality implants that are durable and look natural.
Okay, but what about follow-up care? Traveling back and forth could be a hassle.
That's a valid point. However, many patients plan their follow up visits in advance, and since it's so close to the border, it's pretty convenient. Plus, some clinics coordinate with local dentists for aftercare if needed.
I guess that makes sense. But how do people generally afford the initial cost, even if it's cheaper?
Well, besides the financing options, some people use savings or medical loans. When you consider the long term benefits and the cost savings compared to US prices, it's a worthwhile investment.
That's true. But are there any hidden costs we should be aware of?
Generally, reputable clinics are transparent with their pricing.
Right.
They'll provide detailed quotes up front. Of course, if additional procedures like bone grafting are needed, that can affect the price, but they'll inform you beforehand.
You make a strong case, but isn't there a language barrier? How do patients communicate effectively?
Most clinics catering to international patients have bilingual staff. At Trust Dental Care, for example, the team speaks fluent English. Communication won't be an issue.
That's good to know. So, why are so many Californians choosing to go to Mexico for dental work?
Apart from the cost savings, it's the convenience and quality of care.
Yeah.
Being close to the border makes travel easy, and they don't have to compromise on the quality of dental aesthetics or long-term health.
It does sound appealing, but I still have concerns about the overall safety of traveling there.
It's understandable to be cautious. However, Tijuana has areas that are very safe, especially the medical districts.
Mm-hmm.
Many patients make the trip without any issues, focusing on reputable areas and clinics.
All right, you've addressed most of my worries. Any final thoughts?
Just that transforming your smile doesn't have to break the bank.
Right.
With options like all-on-4 implants in Tijuana, achieving a confident, vibrant smile is more attainable than ever.
Well, you've definitely given me something to think about. Thanks for all the insight.
Anytime. It's exciting to share how affordable smiles can be.